Hey, it's Aaron, and if you're watching this right now, you might be checking out the Net-a-Porter affiliate marketing program. Maybe you're wondering, can you make money by promoting Net-a-Porter products? Really, really cool. Let's check it all out today. Is this a good way for you to make money online? Okay, let's check it out. So Net-a-Porter is a luxury brand e-commerce platform. So if you come right here to net-a-porter.com, you're going to see that they sell all sorts of different products, right? All luxury goods, okay? So all in the hundreds and thousands of dollars. And you can, go by designer, and you can see some of the really big designers like Balenciaga, Bottega Veneta, Chloe, Dolce Gabbana, Gucci, Tom Ford. You get the idea, right? And you can kind of list it out by different clothing, different shoes, different bags, different jewelry, right? And it's really cool. So if you came to Net-a-Porter, and this is global, they'll deliver to pretty much anywhere in the world, and you can get sort of designer items, right? So if you look at this, some of these are pretty expensive. Okay, Loewe, $5,000, Valentino, 3,800, Alaya, 2,900. You get the idea. These are bags. Obviously, bags are a little bit more expensive. Okay, but here's the thing: you can actually resell these as an affiliate. Is really cool. All right, so they've got an affiliate program, and if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's just a referral program. You sign up with their referral program, and if somebody buys through your links, or they click on your banner on your website and they go to Net-a-Porter, and somebody purchases one of these bags or one of their shoes, or designer bags or whatever it is, you will basically get a commission that will be paid by Net-a-Porter. It's really, really cool. Okay, so if we come to the Net-a-Porter affiliates platform right here page, you can see that they basically pay 6% commissions. Okay, now it's pretty normal. It's not super duper high, right? Because it's physical products. Anytime you join an affiliate program where it's physical items like Amazon or Target or Walmart or Net-a-Porter, usually the commission rates are between 3 and 5%. So Net-a-Porter is paying a little bit more. And the thing here is that you're selling designer stuff, right? So designer stuff is generally more expensive than your normal average e-commerce product, okay? So when you're selling a product that's in the hundreds and thousands, 6% is not bad, okay? But here's the thing about the Net-a-Porter affiliate program: they're not allowing just anybody to join. So if you're a beginner, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to join. It's by invitation only, okay? So you really have to be already established, unfortunately. So you either have to have a website that focuses mainly on fashion, high fashion, and you've got thousands of followers or website visitors every single month that are landing on your website, or maybe you have a blog that talks about high fashion, or maybe you have a TikTok channel or a YouTube channel or Instagram channel where you've got a very, very big following of people that are interested in fashion. Only then can you really apply or be approved by Net-a-Porter, unfortunately. Okay, so you can see right here, if that's you can just contact them, right? And you can leave your name, your email address, your country, your website, your URL, and they'll see if you're suitable for the program or not. Okay, so the thing is that they manage all of this directly through their partner Rakuten. Rakuten's a very big affiliate network, and they pay directly by direct deposit, PayPal, or check via Rakuten, and they've got a 14-day cookie. Okay, not too bad, right? So it's not that it's a bad affiliate program. It's good. The only problem is that it's not for beginners. Okay, and unfortunately, sometimes when it comes to affiliate marketing, some of these big brands, they do only want to work with people that are established, people that have already got a following, right? So if you're somebody that's got a big fashion website, a blog, or you've got a big following on social media like TikTok or Instagram, it's very easy. You can come here, you can apply to them. If it's pretty big, chances are quite high that they will approve you. Unfortunately, if you're just a beginner, then Net-a-Porter is probably not the right affiliate program for you. But don't worry, there are a lot of other affiliate programs out there where you can learn to refer people to different products and services and get paid big commissions as well. Okay, so if you are already established, this might be the right program for you. You've got to be in the fashion industry though. Okay, so if you're not in the fashion space, then Net-a-Porter might not be the right affiliate program for you specifically. If you're a beginner, don't worry, stick around. I'll show you how you can still make some money through affiliate marketing, okay? So if you're the right fit, you can check out Net-a-Porter affiliate program. You can contact them right there, apply for it, and just plug it in. It's pretty easy. If you already have a following, it's not difficult. If you're a beginner though, might be a little bit more difficult, all right? If you want to check it out, net-a-porter.com, go to the affiliate program, all right? Now, if you're here watching this video and you're a beginner, you don't know how to make money from affiliate marketing, maybe you're interested in it. I mean, it's a huge industry. It's a $17 billion industry. Everybody needs to start somewhere, right? I think affiliate marketing is great. You do need to learn the step-by-step on how to promote other people's products online. There's a right way and a wrong way to do it. I've made millions doing it, selling other people's products online. So if you want to learn step by step how to do this, this can potentially become a full-time income. Obviously, it's a real business, so you have to learn it properly, do it step by step, actually take a lot of action. But this can literally change your life 100% online if you would like. I've got a free masterclass that you can check out. You can access that by clicking the link right below this video. I wish you all the best. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Net-a-Porter affiliate program. Cool program right here if you're the right fit for it. And I will see you on the next video real soon. Take care.